Marty Skoll Jordan, director of the Tractor Supply Foundation, explains the Hometown Heroes initiative.
First and foremost, we gave $1 million split 10 ways amongst 10 very deserving charities that work with military, work with veterans, work with first responders. Also, in addition to that, we identify hometown heroes that work for us, like Jen, who's here in the studio. If you are one of those veterans or currently serving in the military, or a first responder, you have a chance to get additional discounts.
Dan Clavel, director of Canines for Warriors, explains what the grant will mean for veterans.
They're able to go back and acclimate back into life because of the training that these dogs will get and what they'll do to support the veterans through moments of anxiety and moments of stress.
Jenn Stout, a Tractor Supply hometown hero, details how her team helped after Hurricane Helene.
We were able to give them food. We were able to give them shelter, water, propane to cook.
Get more at tractorsupply.com/hometownheroes.